Welcome to our last video for expert users. If you've seen all the videos until there, congrats, well done, it's a good job. Now we are looking at some tricks, let's say at some options you may not know. Be aware if you want to change anything that's not standard in a tool, you will have to have the code from MYC, the tool is locked. So you have to unlock it here. You could, for example, change the colors of the graphs. If you want to, for example, have another color here, you can change it. You could, of course, create new graphs, but please be aware, be very attention to not changing any calculation, any cell, like the one in the gray areas. They are always formals. They are all with calculation into them. Be aware of not changing anything. It's possible it's happening very fast. One time you could want to change data, and it's kind of planned for it. You can see here you have the default parameters for the emission factors. I showed it in the first video in the overview of the different tabs. Here you have the value in CO2 equivalent, well to tank, well to wheel, tank to wheel. If you have any special emission factors for your country or for your city, at least your country is using emission factors that are specific to your country, please change it. Here are the IPCC defaults. So you just have to change the value in one of these columns. You have, of course, the fuel here. That's one option. So that's the present, the present ones. Of course, there is a projection for it, and the projection is here. So you may want also to change the projection. Probably it would make sense if you change the first year, it's quite logical that the other years also will be the same or will change also, because you're planning, for example, to change the source of your fuel. You're taking fuel from Russia, for example, and in the future you will use fuel from the USA, and you know that they have different emission factors. So feel free to adapt here if you need. That's pretty much all in the expert version. If you want to do any other change, or you see any other issue in the tool where you say, oh, that's not the right calculation, or there is something that's disturbing me, don't change anything by yourself. Contact MYC. Eventually they may contact us, and we look at it together. Try to avoid changing anything else into the tool. So thanks a lot guys for staying until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this webinar, that it helps you, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.